Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the default applications and the games which came along with the POCO X8 Pro device. So this is the POCO X8 Pro which I'm going to use in this video for the demonstration. Let's see what is the bloatware applications and how many games did include in the POCO X8 Pro. And you can see the starting with the first application 1, 2, Amazon, and there are a couple of games also available. So 1, 2, 3, 4 games, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total like 13 games are included in the POCO X8 Pro out of the box. As you can clearly see, this many games are included. And there are applications like Spotify, Mi Store, and Mi Store is okay, like LinkedIn, and the Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, and the Gemini. So these are the applications which came, and WPS, Amazon, as you can see. So close to like 15 to 20 applications which came pre-installed in the bloatware in the POCO X8 Pro device, which you can clearly see right now. Let's go to the settings option and show you the apps. So now you should be able to see how many applications are there right now, as you can see. So these are the applications which came along with this device of the POCO X8 Pro. Definitely there's a lot of bloatware is going on and so many games. You can still uninstall them, but still the POCO X8 Pro comes with all of these games pre-installed, as you can see. This so overall the device looks really very good in terms of the build quality or overall form factor, which is pretty good and pretty decent enough. I would definitely say that. I'll try to do the in-depth testing as well regarding the performance and display experience. I mean, always the overall build quality, everything. I'll try to talk about those aspects in the next upcoming videos. But right now, these are my quick impressions about the inbuilt applications and the games which came along with the device. As you can, these are the bloatware which came along with the POCO X8 Pro. In case if you have any other questions on this device, let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to check out the playlist videos for more information on the POCO X8 Pro device. So overall the build quality I did like, it's pretty good, like compact design and single hand usage will be really very good in this device. So which is like completely different level experience, like when you compare with the different POCO phone. And if you try to use this POCO phone, you will definitely feel the premium experience because of this compact design and the build quality wise. So for this quick impressions guys, and this is a 8GB and 256GB storage version which I did order, 8 plus 256GB. So I'm going to test the performance of this in terms of the RAM management and all the details. I'll try to do regarding the performance and battery draining test results and how is the display panel in this display, how it actually looks like, everything. I'll try to do the in-depth videos. So stay tuned for that in case if you have any other questions on the POCO X8 Pro device. So meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video and bye.